Hi, this is lesson number 48 from our Photoshop training series. In this exercise, we are going to learn how to fix the double chain in Photoshop using masking technique. We will also adjust the image from left and right using Liquify Filter. So the first thing, we need to make selection, and that selected area we need to duplicate. Let's open the layer palette. Here we have layer, and this is the thumb of our image. In order to make selection, we can use polygonal lasso tool or pen tool. I will prefer the pen tool because it is having curvature to make more smooth selection. If you don't know about pen tool, in the same playlist exercise number 27 is there, master the pen tool. You can watch that video. In that exercise almost I cover all the basic of the pen tool. So pen tool is selected. I will start my selection from here. Alright, now by pressing Ctrl key, you can click on any point if you want to make some adjustment. This way we can do. Now the path is there. In order to make selection, it is simple. We can click on the path palette, and directly if we want, we can make selection from here. You cannot assign radius from here. So there is another way. You can right click here and click on make selection, or you can make it more simple. Once the path is there, right click on the screen, right click, and then click on make selection. Once you will click on the make selection, Photoshop will ask you to assign the radius. So here I am going to assign radius. Feather radius is 1, that is OK, and click OK. So there will be smooth edges around this area. Background is selected. Ctrl J to duplicate the area in the new layer. Once again press Ctrl J. So here we have two copy, layer 1 and layer 1 copy. It is very simple. The top layer we need to clip with the layer 1. So press Alt key and click in between both layer. You can see it's small white square and black arrow facing down. This is indicating that we are going to clip the layer. So click. Now layer 1 copy is clipped with layer 1. Now using wrap tool, we can adjust the area. The layer is selected. Edit, transform, and here we have option wrap. In the beginning it will be this way. You need to click here, click on this option, split the wrap crosswise, click it, and then from here we can choose the column and rows. Here we have 3 by 3, 4 by 4, and 5 by 5. I will prefer this. So this is how we have mesh. Now if I will click with my mouse pointer, another row and column will be added, but we can press Ctrl Z to avoid that. Now we can adjust the way we want, but we need to make sure that we are not exactly on the points. You need to avoid the edge and the point. That is fine. And click this button, or you can hit enter. Now if I will turn off this layer, you will see the difference before and now. If we want to get the composite layer from these all duplicate and original, we can press Ctrl Alt Shift E. So here we have merged layer. That is the result of our previous work. Now we are going to use a Liquify filter. Composite layer is selected. Go to filter, Liquify, and here is the brush size. You can adjust if you want. And forward wrap tool is selected. Forward wrap tool, it works from the center point. The movement and effective area, it will be the center of the circle. So I will just move from here a little bit this way. That is fine. And then click OK. If I will turn off layer 1 copy, and then composite layer, we will see the original. This is before and this is now. This how using masking technique and Liquify filter we can fix the double chain and adjust other areas in the image. For your practice, you can use any similar image. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload new video. Thank you.